Catherine Bernardo update yan sa post ng KFC. Special invite from Catherine Bernardo. Ito yung video.
Hey music lovers, this is Kat and I am inviting you to join KFC for a special live stream featuring 3 of OPM Subaira stars. Catch Juan Carlos, Adi, and Zach Tabudlo in one epic live stream right from home. Tune in to KFC Philippines TikTok page on May 17, 6 p.m. Enjoy great music and get a chance to win exciting prizes and giveaways. Enjoy!
Yun. May live performance. So ito post ng video rin na endorsement ni Catherine. And Sambi icon on our style icon. Ayan yung mga suot ni Catherine na jewelry. Ganda. So ito pa yung abangan kay Catherine. Yung event niya sa May 16. Yan sa Pure Gold Sarsar Store Convention 2025 sa World Trade Center. Ano ba? Yung mga endorser ni Catherine gaya ng Maggie at Taste White. Yun no. Ano ba nga si Catherine? Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is with your reaction live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.